Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. Do you have a problem with large pills? Well, don't worry anymore about that problem. Well, DUBSTAR has this beautiful, small, compact pill cutter. It's really great for cutting large pills. This one, with a snap, it's cut in two and it's much easier for me personally to swallow. It also does teeny little pills and it takes care of them too. And you can even have this little compartment filled with the pills for later use. And I do love that you can remove the silicone pad and get rid of any leftover pill dust. And you can wash it so easily with water. It's very convenient. So to take it with me, it's such a small little compact thing. I can put it in my bag for any time I need. So try out this pill cutter. You will love it. Our family loves it. We highly recommend it. And that's just our point of view.